Welcome to CVR English. This is Jyoti. Let's watch the headlines.
Corina Lingdo, and the couple is blessed with daughters.
Congress demands discussion on Adani indictment in Parliament, urges CBI probe. UP security in place at Sambal for third consecutive day. Internet services remain suspended. Talks reform floats on Yamuna River in Kalindi Kuncha with high pollution levels. Israel approves ceasefire with Hezbollah, deal to take effect from today. These are the top headlines. Let's watch Lok Sabha live session.
Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Nityanand Rai.
आदरणीय महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यावली में क्रम संख्या 2-1 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मिलित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Sri Sukanta Majumdar.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's list of business.
Honorable members, I have received 18 notices under Rule 267. Sri Sanjay Singh has demanded discussion over increase in crimes in Delhi. Susri Sushmita Dev, Sri Tiruchi Shiva, Sri Raghav Chadda, Sri Santosh Kumar P. have sought discussion on alarming and continuing violence in the state of Manipur. Dr. John Britas, Sri A.A. Rahim, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, and Sri Abdul Wahab have sought discussion over recent violence in Sambal, Uttar Pradesh. The notices from Sri G.C. Chandrasekhar, Sri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Sri Neeraj Dangi, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Sri Rajiv Shukla, Sri Pramod Tiwari, Sri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, and Srimati J.B. Mathia Isam have demanded constitution of JPC to investigate the alleged misconduct, including corruption, bribery, and financial irregularities of Adani Group in connivance with other authorities. Honorable members, as I have reiterated on several occasions, I thought it wise to bestow focused attention given the situation that we are entering the last quarter of the century of adoption of the Constitution of India. We had the great occasion to celebrate it yesterday. And therefore I emphasize that this House, the House of Elders, the upper house, the Council of States, needs to reflect and follow well-established traditions that a ruling of the chair requires deference and not cause of differences. I have in detail given out as to why in these situations the notices are not being accepted. As a matter of fact, I took the House in confidence in making the House aware that if you look at the journey of this House with reference to Rule 267, even for last 30 years, where we have had various political dispensations in authority, in governance, the number was never beyond single digit. And the background every time reflected a consensual approach, a dialogue between the parties, keeping everything in mind, while not being able to lend my concurrence to these notices. I would appeal to the members of this House, this being a historic day, the very first day of the fourth quarter of the century of adoption of the Indian Constitution, let us raise the productivity bar. Let us generate an atmosphere that we exemplify by discussion, dialogue, deliberation, and adherence to rules. All these issues, honorable members, there will be occasion to raise in accordance with rules. Since there is a provision in the rules to raise these issues in one form or the other by motions that are provided, these notices are being declined. Please, nothing will go on record. Honorable members, take your seat. Nothing will go on record.